Hey, I'm National Social Security Disability Attorney Nancy Cavey. Have you seen this Washington Post article that just came out entitled Social Security Offices Critical Disability Benefits Hit Breaking Point? This is by Lisa Rain, and it was published on December 5, 2022. I think Ms. Rain got it right. She explains in this article that the Social Security disability claims process is pretty convoluted. The initial application that you file and any request for reconsideration is reviewed by a state agency called Disability Determination Services, DDS. The states have contracted with the Social Security Administration to provide this service, but the Social Security Administration influences the rate of pay that the person gets. They influence the number of hirees that the state agency can hire, and basically influences their caseload. What's happened, unfortunately, is that over the years, and particularly in the last administration, not the current administration, there was an effort to basically starve the Social Security Administration out of funding, and it worked. There is a significant issue with staffing. In fact, according to this article, at least 40% of state agency employees have quit. Now, that means that the delay, which was significant, has become even worse. And according to this article, it's up to almost 1 million initial applications and requests for reconsiderations that are pending. You can't shovel it fast enough. We have DDS people who are not getting paid a fair wage. They have a tremendous caseload. They don't have a lot of support, and they're shoveling. In this economy, why would you want to work for DDS when you can have a better lifestyle, you can get paid more, and you're not buried? And so what this article talks about in part is that these offices have hit a critical level of mass that is broken. Well, I will tell you that it's been broken basically since the pandemic started. And here in Florida, the average wait to get from the initial application stage to a hearing stage is over, and I want to get it right because it's outrageous, is 225 days. In 2019, it was 77 days. I don't think that was right, quite frankly. But according to this article, there's been a 191% increase in the average processing time. That's outrageous. And I've done a lot of videos about how outrageous it is. I don't care what your political affiliation is, what your stripes are. I think that you should be calling your congressman and urging them to support Biden's budget proposal to fully fund the Social Security Administration. Is that going to help make the delay go away right away? No. These people need to be hired, they need to be trained, they need to be thrown into the backlog, if you will, and there needs to be a coherent plan to get this backlog resolved. Call your congressman. I think it will make a difference, and we've got to get these disability claims heard as quickly as possible. I have clients, and I know of others, who have lost their homes, not getting medical treatment. They are living out of their cars. They are living off of whatever savings they have left. They're getting bare bones medical treatment. That's not how we should be treating Americans who are disabled. Let's do the right thing. Call your congressman today.